Let's see if we find any more. I don't see any more so far. I think that's about it for this one. I've noticed there's a missing towel. I mean, we can put this one too because it's missing, but it's switched around. So we're gonna go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where do we? I don't see this last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do we see another one? I don't see. Maybe the background. Let's look at the background. But it's kind of blurred, so how can someone tell? Those last one is kind of tricky. I'm going to try not to write on this book. I'm going to try to just write on the photo, on the tracker itself. Okay, so I think we're just going to have to give up on this last one and go explore on the page 30. So we're going to go to page 30. Let me just take one closer look. It's something here. Oh no, I would have never find it. Do you see? We shouldn't be looking at the answers, but it's right there. There's a missing knot right here. I would have never. I knew I was looking at something, but I couldn't tell the difference. I was like looking at it, but I was like, no, everything looks the same. There's the same bow tie. There's the same stitches, same buckle. I was like, everything looks about right, but I was missing this little thing. So next time I'm just gonna keep writing them here because I'll keep track of it better. But let's go to this second one, which is a beautiful photo. Kind of obsessed. So let's look around at the circles. We can already spot one. So we spot one right here, which is the red. I spot another difference. This one has a whole bunch of lines like this very beautifully. This one's missing a line, so I'm gonna put a mark right here. 2. Come on guys, do we see another difference? I think I see a difference. There's a missing spike here. You see how there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a missing spike on the rose petal. Do we see any more differences? I am kind of not seeing any more differences. I'm not seeing any more differences, so I'm really looking very, very, very hard. It must be in the details. And there's 10 differences. I cannot believe oh, I see one. So do you see how there's a difference right here? While over here is missing, I see another one. So a number 4. Let's see if we see any more differences. There should be about 6 more differences. What a beautiful butterfly. I'm almost starting to give up because I don't see any more differences. Oh, I see another difference. Number 5. The difference here is that there is a missing stripe. While this one has a stripe right here. There's a stripe. 1, 2, 3 stripes. This little stripe. 1, 2. So those are missing. That's a missing stripe. I also want to point out that this stripe has a missing circle. So I probably want to indicate that that's also another one. So it's 1, 2 circles, 1, 0. So there's 0 here. I only see 1 circle here. So I'm gonna indicate that as a difference because it's not able to be seen. Now that's a little bit more intricate detail here. Let's look around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't seem to have any difference. What a beautiful picture. Do you guys see any more differences? Let's look up close. We're only able to spot a couple differences. We haven't been able to find the last 4 differences. 2 antennas. Let's look at this rose petal. There seems to be no differences there. I don't see any more beautiful prints unless I'm probably missing one. Let's look at these. Mm, I don't see anything necessary here by any means. Let me take a seat. I think I spot another difference. This rose petal size, I knew I saw something different. This rose petal size is completely different size. So I'm gonna put number 7. Is this even called a rose petal? I'm not quite sure, honestly. But there is seems to be some sort of difference in this area here. Um Also a very small, there seems to be two differences here actually. So 1 2 1 2, because this one is like, this one, it seems to be that. So I'm gonna put a difference right here. So another difference right there. I knew I spotted some differences, I just couldn't allocate them or locate them. Do we see any more differences? I think we're near the end. These are such beautiful books. I am surprised by how great they are. I cannot believe it. There seems to be this white, suspicious white spot here. I'm not sure if I should count it, but there is a white spot, which is a circle. So I don't know if that's part of the image. It is different layout. So we're just trying to find these very last differences. I don't see any differences. I think we found every last bit. I want to say that I think we found the most of them. Maybe this, because this seems to be darker than this one, if I have to be completely honest, but I'm not sure. This seems to be a little bit larger. But maybe I'm just a little bit... No, it's about the same size, actually. Never mind. Let me look at these. No, not there. I don't see anything anymore, so... Do we see any differences around here? I don't see any differences. Okay. I think it's time to go look at the differences in the book section. So it's going to be in... Oh, there's a difference. I would never be able to spot it. It's very difficult. So it says there's a difference here, and then there's a difference in there, and then in the So it says that there's a difference. Here, and there's a difference somewhere over here. Is that true? Do we see that? I'm not sure if that's correct because I don't see any differences. I don't see it. Like, we spotted this one and it's not on here, so there's no difference here, but the stem here, it's missing one, and it's missing one too. So we do see that, right? I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but there is a missing one, and it's not on the key, but it does say that there is a fine line after the third. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I see. So the squiggly line, while this one is a straight line. I would have never noticed. Okay, so we're just gonna put down a number 9, because we do see that now. And what else do we see? So this one, it says that there is somewhere here, something here. Yeah, we noticed this one, but do we actually see a difference in the antenna? Oh, we do see a difference. This one's shorter and this one's longer. So this is number 10. I'm glad that we counted over 10. We actually counted over 10. Let's see if we see any more, because these are actually quite interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got this one. We got this one. Here. Did we see? Yeah, we did see that stem. Here. Yes, we did see. So we do see these differences. It's not easy to find these differences, honestly. We did find 11 total in this image, which I'm pretty proud of, because let's see if you can point out the difference. So do you see how this one has 3 needles? This one has 2 needles. Right here. 2 needles, 3 needles. So those are differences in the book. And this is a beautiful image. I cannot believe it. Okay. Thank you for viewing. Please watch my next video to be able to find these next differences in these images. Make sure to hit the bell and subscribe and like the button. Thank you. Bye.